Hello everyone, this is Mansoor with Doplac. Hope you're doing well. I got few messages about how we can use Doplac because Doplac is free now fully until May 31. So I really wanted to test how it works and how I can start outreach with Doplac CRM or others tool like email marketing, project management. So is there any tutorials or is there any guidelines how we can start our journey with Duplex CRM? So that kind of question I got a few messages. So for all of our users, I'm going to say that we are starting making videos and documentation for our users. So soon, within like a week or 10-15 days, we will start publishing videos about how you can use Duplex CRM for your agency, and for every single tool we will make contents how you can make those tools properly for your agency and scale your agency, how you can like execute the CRM properly. Thank you so much everyone.